How to fix this accessory may not be supported on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your charging port. Make sure it is clean and is not physically damaged. Likewise, another thing you want to check is your accessory. Make sure the accessory that you are going to use is not damaged. Once you check that, now what you can do is open your settings. Scroll down, go to the option General, scroll all the way down, open the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on the option Reset. Click on the option Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Likewise, another thing you can do is head back, go to the main page of settings and then head towards the General. Go to the option Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone to its latest version. Applying this process, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. This is how you can fix this accessory may not be supported on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.